Hi everybody, and welcome to Man Cake, where we play before we eat and always lick the bowl. I'm Dan, and if you enjoy a good slice of cake and something sweet, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more recipes, and click that bell like a cake boss so you know when brand new videos are posted. Well everybody, today is Cupcake Day. Not just any kind of cupcake. Today, we're going to be making our red wine Sangria cupcakes. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Be sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And before we start the batter, let's go ahead and get our red wine syrup ready. In a pan over a medium-high heat, you want to bring to a boil a 1/4 cup of red wine and 1 cup of sugar. Then, once the wine starts to boil, reduce the heat to a medium-low. Allow the wine to thicken and reduce for about 25 minutes. Remove and let cool. Now, onto our batter. In a separate bowl, combine 1½ cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 cup of sugar. Then, just go ahead and give all those dry ingredients a quick mix. Now, in your mixing bowl of choice, you'll want to combine 1 stick of melted butter, 1½ teaspoon of vanilla, then scoop in 1/2 cup of sour cream, and lastly, add in 2 eggs. Now, we just want to go ahead and allow all those wet ingredients to mix on a medium-low speed for about a quick minute. And while that mixes, slowly add in half of your flour mixture. And let that mix in. Once the first half of the flour is incorporated, go ahead and slowly add in the last half of the flour. And allow that to incorporate as well. And because our theme today is red wine, let's go ahead and add in a couple of drops of red food gel color. And allow that gel to get really incorporated into the batter. Once your batter is completely mixed and all ingredients are well incorporated, we can go ahead and start spooning in our batter into our cupcake pan with liners. Now, there are different theories about the best way to get cupcake batter into a cupcake pan. I think today we're going to go ahead and use a gravy spoon. But if you know of a better way, let me know in the comments down below. For the gravy spoon trick, you just want to go ahead and fill the ladle of the spoon just till it touches the rim. Then go ahead and pour that batter into the liner, leaving about 1 inch of room between the batter and the top of the liner, because the cupcakes are going to puff up. And for your viewing pleasure, here's a little bit of a slow-mo action shot. After your cupcake pan is filled, go ahead and bake your cupcakes for 15 to 17 minutes. Now, onto our red wine buttercream. In a mixing bowl, add in 1 stick of butter at room temperature. and a half cup of shortening. mixed on a medium speed until both the butter and shortening are combined, light, and fluffy. Once mixed, be sure to scrape down the sides of your mixing bowl. Once that's done, you can go ahead and add in 2½ cups of powdered sugar. Now, we'll go ahead and add in our red wine syrup. If, by any chance, your red wine syrup did cool down too much, you can go ahead and zap it in the microwave for a couple seconds just to soften it up. So we'll go ahead and add in that red wine syrup and incorporate that into our buttercream on a medium speed for another 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, depending on the consistency that you're looking for in your buttercream, you can go ahead and add more powdered sugar. For today, I think our buttercream is just right. Now with our cupcakes baked and cooled, we can go ahead and start decorating. So let's go ahead and transfer our cupcakes from our pan to our serving plate or a cake stand. Next, we'll go ahead and pipe on some red wine buttercream. While keeping in mind the amount of buttercream we place on top of our cupcakes will help our toppings stay in place. Once our cupcakes are topped with buttercream, we can go ahead and start by adding strawberries. I think for me, I'll go ahead and just add 2 strawberries to each cupcake. But if you want to add more, go ahead. Who doesn't love a good strawberry? Once our cupcakes are all strawberried out, we can go ahead and add more fruit. You can either add oranges or apples or both. I think for today though, we're going to go ahead and finish our fruit topping with some berries. Now for the amazing taste test, which I suggest you do the same because these cupcakes will go very quick. Here we have it, our red wine sangria cupcakes, topped with strawberries and blackberries. Are there any cakes and desserts you'd like to see? Let me know down below in the comments. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more man cake recipes. As always, life is short, so lick the bowl. Until next week, bye!